हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आज डिस्कस करते हैं मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में। मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ द मोस्ट वाइटल थिंग ऑफ आवर बॉडी एंड इफ़ वी आर वेल मेंटली देन एवरीथिंग इज़ वेल. Now, ways to deal with mental health. First of all, the first point come is sleep. We should have the proper sleep. हमें proper नींद लेनी चाहिए 6 से 7 घंटे की. If we are not having proper sleep, then mood deprivation होते ही होते हैं. इससे जो न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर न्यूरो केमिकल्स रिलीज़ होते हैं हमारे ब्रेन से, वो इफ़ेक्ट हो जाते हैं और एंग्जाइटी, डिप्रेशन, अटेंशन हाइपर एक्टिविटी डिसऑर्डर से हम सफ़र कर जाते हैं. इफ़ वी हैव कंप्लीट स्लीप डिसऑर्डर्स या इम्बैलेंस है हमारी बॉडी में, देन वी आवर इमोशनल हेल्थ 100% गेट इम्पेयर्ड एंड वी विल सफ़र फ्रॉम बिहेवियर पैटर्न्स. हमें किसी के भी साथ कोई भी कुछ भी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती है, किसी भी चीज़ को इन्जॉय करने का मन नहीं करता है. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरिटी. अगर मेंटल प्रॉब्लम है, पेशेंट को एग्जाइटी है, डिप्रेशन है या मूड स्विंग्स है, तो उसको एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली करनी चाहिए. एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज एंड मेडिटेशन फॉर सच पेशेंट्स आर बेस्ट because it improves the hormonal levels in our body, and exercise promotes the synthesis of neurotransmitters endomorphine and improves our mood, as well as our mood swings change to a healthy mood pattern. 30-minute exercise gives sense of well-being to us and it improves all over health of our body. Next, the third which we should take care of is our balanced diet. If we take balanced diet, then it create an direct effect on our mental health, as eating spicy and fatty food always alters our mind, leading to gastric complaints, which indirectly affect our psychotic problems or physiological or psychological problems. Balanced diet means the individual which are having Mediterranean or Japanese diet, including whole grains, vegetable and fruits, and deficient of saturated fats and refined carbohydrates, are much more better in their mental health as compared to the others. We should have fish in our diet if we are non-vegetarian, as fish consists of omega-3 acids, which improves the serotonin level, a hormone which balances our mental health and boosts our health. So if you are vegetarian, I may prefer you to have fish in your diet. Next is you should practice meditation. Meditation not even manages the stress, but also it improves our mood disorders. Deep thinking during the meditation and our focus and inner relaxation leads to the improvement in the release of serotonin, or the as per the studies of 2014, if a person do 4 weeks meditation regularly, then the serotonin level naturally get improved, leading to the improvement in his mental health. During this stage, that is during meditation, serotonin release and the neurotransmitters release reverse our stress hormone, and thus making us an healthy individual. Last is consumption of alcohols. If a patient is having alcohol, then he must get rid of that alcohol, and because alcohol slows down the central nervous system and affect chemical messenger release in brain, leading to hormonal imbalance and creating mood disorders. Chemical changes in brain by alcohol present in the blood leads to the feeling of anger, anxiety, depression, and sometimes in the chronic stage it may also lead to the severe clinical conditions, and even the patient becomes of suicidal tendency, and he has a thought of negative thoughts of having society then and now, because it decreases the serotonin level to the lower. Now, alcohol not even worsen the present condition, but if the person is suffering from the previous mental disorder, then having alcohol aggravate the present condition also. So please guys, take these points in your mind and be away from alcohol, have regular exercise, meditation, proper diet and sleep to get rid of all mental problems. Thank you and have a nice day.